Good morning friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 15th of June 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 15th of June. Our first question is, which state or union territory has launched India's first online waste management platform recently? Answer is option number 2, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government has launched India's first online waste management platform of Andhra Pradesh Environment Management Corporation on the occasion of World Environment Day to ensure 100% safe disposal of industrial toxic waste. The State Department of Environment Management will take over the responsibility of the online platform. Answer is option number 2, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, look at the map. This is Andhra Pradesh. Capital is Amravati. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. And Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next question. India and Denmark signed an MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding, to develop strong cooperation in which sector? Answer is option number 4, power. Recently, India and Denmark have signed a MOU that aims at developing a deep, strong and long-term cooperation in power sector. The memorandum was signed between Denmark Ministry of Energy and India's Power Ministry. Answer is option number 4, power. Denmark, this is Denmark. Capital is Copenhagen. Prime Minister is Mette Frederiksen and currency of Denmark is Danish krone. Next question. Which award has been cancelled for 2020 recently due to COVID-19? Answer is option number 1, Ramon Magsaysay Award. Recently, Ramon Magsaysay Award, which is also known as Nobel Prize of Asia, have been cancelled this year due to COVID-19 pandemic. Ramon Magsaysay Award is an annual award established to perpetuate former Philippine President Ramon Magsaysay. It is given for the outstanding contribution in government service, public service, community leadership, journalism, literature and creative communication art, also peace and international understanding and emergent leadership. It was started in 1958. Last year, that is in 2019, it was given to 3 persons. First is Ravish Kumar, he is an Indian journalist. Second is Ko Swee-win from Myanmar and Angakhana Nilapjit, who is from Thailand. Fourth question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Eye Donation Day? Answer is option number 3, June 10. Every year, June 10 is observed as the World Eye Donation Day to encourage people to donate their eyes after death. It is also celebrated to raise awareness about visual impairment and blindness. Answer is option number 3, June 10. Next question. Which of the following cities has recently declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand? Answer is option number 1, Gairsen. Recently, Gairsen has been declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, this is Uttarakhand. Capital is Dehradun. Now, summer capital is Gairsen. Governor is Baby Rani Maurya and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Next, which nation has declared itself COVID-free country? Answer is option number 4, New Zealand. Recently, New Zealand has declared itself as COVID-19 free country after the recovery of its last coronavirus patient. With this, the nation has lifted all restrictions imposed to contain the virus, including social distancing and restrictions on public gatherings. Answer is option number 4, New Zealand. New Zealand, this is New Zealand. Capital is Wellington. Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern and currency of New Zealand is New Zealand dollar. Next, which state topped India's state food safety index among larger states? Answer is option number 2, Gujarat. Recently, FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, has declared India's food safety index, and in this index Gujarat has topped in larger states. Gujarat is at the first number, second number is carried by Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra is at the third number in larger states. Answer will be option number 2, Gujarat. Next, which union territory topped India's food safety index? Answer is option number 4, Chandigarh. Among union territories in food safety index, Chandigarh is at the first number, Delhi is at the second number, and Andaman Nicobar Island are at the third position. Answer will be option number 4, Chandigarh. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day? Answer is option number 4, June 14th. June 14th is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day every year to raise awareness about the safe blood donation and to thank those who have donated blood and saved the life of others. It was first celebrated on the birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner, a scientist who won the Nobel Prize for his discovery of ABO blood group system on June 14, 1868. And theme of 2020's World Blood Donor Day was Safe Blood save lives. Safe blood saves life is the theme of 2020's World Blood Donor Day, which was recently celebrated on June 14. Answer is option number 4. Next, which state or union territory government has renamed Environment Ministry as Environment and Climate Change Ministry in June 2020? Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. Recently, on the occasion of World Environment Day, which was recently celebrated on 5th of June, the Maharashtra cabinet has approved a proposal to rename the state's Environment Ministry as Environment and Climate Change Ministry with the aim to play an active role in climate change mitigation. Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, this is Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai, governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari, and chief minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Next, UN Russian, that is United Nations Russian Language Day was celebrated on, answer is option number 1, June 6. Every year, June 6 is celebrated as Russian Language Day, United Nations Russian Language Day, to promote and support multilingualism and cultural diversity and to celebrate the birthday of famous Russian poet Alexander Pushkin, who was born on 6th of June 1799. It was first celebrated in 2010. Answer is option number 1. Now today's question. Question is, which state has celebrated its statehood day on 13th May 2020? Options are Assam, Kerala, Karnataka and Goa. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.